Are you sick and tired of low-quality, flickering, unreliable LED panels? Then you need ShineLong Slice LED Panel Light. Perfect for offices, schools, universities, showrooms, libraries, hospitals, exhibition halls, supermarkets, and more. These panels will never turn yellow or deform during transport. And they're free from noise, UV, flickering, glare, light leak, and shadow. We make our panels to last you for a long, long while, ultra thin if needed, in different sizes and watts, so that they fit all of your needs and with different dimmings. All of our panels go through rigorous testing, can be instantly turned on and off, and have an extremely low failure rate, plus a long warranty. What all this means for you is highly energy efficient lights, very low maintenance costs, durability, stability, reliability, and excellent lighting wherever you need it. Visit us now for more information. Get ShineLong Slice LED panel lights and forget worrying about the lights for the next several years.